Guy, they go now. I call it. They never even call us self. See this guy, and they hate rubbish.
Calm down.
They never call us.
Don't rush things like that. Just
They don't rush waiting.
rush things, I beg. You guys should start coming.
They go now. They go.
I don't push on like that. They are right.
Thank you, sir. Guy, go now.
Oga, no, they push me now. If you want pass, come pass. Waiting me this thing. They know they hurry in life. Patient dog, they just go. I beg, waka they go. If you want
think
pass,
say they wise?
Go pass now.
me na patient dog.
Woman.
Pause.
The money don't finish. I will come back in next week. I'll come back, you will be the first person that I will attend to.
Sorry.
That guy they tell you say make I get patient for this Nigeria kind country. Chairman, I got patient.
I beg you, na give me small something. I use the transport.
You don't collect your own. I got fattest bone. You won't eat fattest meat. Guy, make I tell you, for this Nigeria, you don't need to dey calm down. You need to dey, now see money now. You might not give you a shishi. My brother, be coming down. You might come back next 5 years. If you come next 5 years, he go give you. I got patience. No, go down.